Hello, my name is Sabrina. I work for Champaign Head Start, RPC Early Childhood Education Program, a Head Start program. This video is titled How to Use Google Drive to Share Videos for ClassDojo. Um, we've seen a lot of teachers have some issues with this, some place where they can learn, and so I hoped this video might be a great way to share some ideas. The presentation will instruct teachers and other staff using ClassDojo how to use Google Drive to save, upload, share, view, and download files for use on ClassDojo. We know that right now we need to record videos, we need to get them approved by our managers, and then we can post them. Many people are getting the recording and the posting down, but getting it to where their managers who might not be in the same building can see them might be difficult, especially if you're working from home. So this will help everyone with getting things approved. There's a lot of different ways you can share videos to management. We're focusing on Google Drive, but some other ideas could be email, Dropbox. If you have the ability to use a flash drive on your phone, you can use a thumb drive and just take it to their computer manually. But if you're doing that, you might as well just show them the video on your phone. So, Google Drive. What is it? So, Google Drive is a folder on the internet where you can store different files such as videos, pictures, and documents. You can access this on most phones and all computers. So essentially, if you're taking a picture of a cow on your phone, then you can upload it to your Google Drive on your phone, and then on your computer, you can access your picture of a cow wherever you want. So this is really useful for getting one thing to a bunch of different people that they can see it and approve it and leave their ideas about it. You likely have Google Drive on your phone if you have Android or use Gmail. The easiest thing is to use what you already have. So you can check if you have it by going to the app screen and looking for Drive. It's this little triangle that's on the picture there. If you don't have it, you can go to the App Store and search for Google Drive. You can try to install it. So go to either Google Play or App Store. But if you have Google Play, you probably have Google Drive already on your phone. If you have an older model phone, you're going to be like this picture. It might not work for you. Then, sad to say, if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work for you. There's not much to do about it. So after you've installed or opened the app, follow the setup instructions. They might want your name, they might want your email. Make sure you remember the email associated with it. This will be useful later, especially like just keeping track of what account you're using if you have different emails that you have. There's a little icon in the corner right here. That's how you can check which email is you're using for the Google Drive. Each Gmail account has their own Google Drive account. To make a new folder for sharing, tap the plus button on the bottom. It's like an add new button, and then you'll open up this thing, which will give you different options. So you want to create a new folder right here. And I would name the folder something that everybody can easily identify, like Head Start videos, teaching videos. You can include your room name. That's a good thing. That'll help your management be able to sort through which folder they're actually looking at. So once you've created the folder, you're going to have to share it with your management. So open the folder that you want to share, tap the three dots in the corner, choose share, type in the email you want to add, and then choose viewer or editor. It's a lot of steps, so here's a short little video of me doing it on my phone. So here you can say I've opened up the folder, and then the three dots in the corner right here, and here's what it brings up. So right around here is the share. You type on share. Oops, play. There you and then you start typing in the email of the person you want to add. You can add emails like ccrpc or at co.champaign.il.us. It also might be helpful if if the management's willing to share their personal Gmail email to share it with them. It tends to work a little bit better with Gmail accounts, but like all emails should be able to access it. The person you share the folder with will be able to view everything that you put in the folder. So be a little bit careful because you might take a picture that's just meant for family, and if you put it in that folder, then everybody can see it. But the good thing is, nothing's going to upload to that folder without you choosing to upload it. And we'll talk about uploading things in a minute. People will also be able to download it, so that means put a copy on their phone or their computer. They can upload their own stuff, so if they take a video and want to put it in that folder, they can put it there. They can delete something that's on there, so it's good to keep copies just in case. And they can edit anything. That's more so if you put a file on there, like if you put your lesson plan on there. This is a good way to share lesson plans. Me and my co-teacher do this all the time, where we'll edit the same document on different computers, especially when we were working at home. And we can see in real time what the other person's adding, and we usually just like video conference while we're doing it too, so we are on the same page. You can make it so when we said back in the previous screen, choosing viewer or editor, you can make them a viewer. That means they can see everything in the folder, but they're not able to download it, they're not able to upload it, they're not able to delete anything, they're not able to edit anything. That might be nice if your management isn't going to download anything for YouTube or Facebook. But if they are going to download anything for their personal records or for sharing it on a different way, they should be an editor. You can change that at any time. Oops, I went back. There we go. So uploading a video from your phone. So find the add new icon. Remember that was that plus sign that was way down here. Choose upload. That's right here, right next to the folder. And then find the video you want to upload from your phone. And that's how you add it to the folder. It might take a minute for it to upload, and then even after it's uploaded, sometimes they're processing it. So you might think you've done it wrong, but give it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If you've just clicked upload and then chosen the video, you should be fine. Uploading from a computer. It's pretty much the same thing. You find the add new icon. It looks like a plus sign. You choose upload file, or file upload, I'm sorry. And then you find the video you want to upload from your computer. Same deal. Before I continue, when you go back to this, sharing the folder with your employers, they'll be able to access that folder anytime through their Google Drive, but I've also found it helpful when I'm on my computer to go to the tab that I have Google Drive open to and copy the link address, the URL on the top, and I email that to the site manager and assistant site manager. And I say, oh, could you approve the Play-Doh video so I can upload it to ClassDojo? And then all they have to do is click the link and it takes them immediately there instead of them having to search through their own stuff. Okay, ClassDojo. What is ClassDojo? ClassDojo is education technology connecting students, teachers, and parents. We're using ClassDojo right now to reach out through videos and photos when we're not able to have students in the building. This is a lot safer because we're not having to deliver everything that we say through different means, and it's really nice. I've liked it so far. I was on the fence. How to upload videos onto ClassDojo. So, big in red. Always get proper approval before posting. This covers everybody, so nothing accidentally shows up that shouldn't show up. So go to the class or school story and tap the camera icon to add the video. Choose video and camera roll. You can add notes and then post. So I have a GIF over here. I'm going to wait till it loops around. But boop-a-doop-a-doo. takes so long to type. Okay, so here's the camera button up here. It's in the class story. And then it opens up the camera, and did you notice there's a little picture down here? Those are all the old pictures that have already been put like on your phone. And you can, in the top, there's like, I wish I could pause this. Okay, come back. Okay, here's the pictures. And it says all media. You can choose different things like downloads. Then in the bottom, it says done. And then you go ahead, you type your little note, and you push post. Also, ClassDojo just released the ability to upload videos on this computer. I started this slide thing, and then like 2 days later, when I was still working on it, they added the ability to do it on your computer. So this might make things a lot easier, especially if maybe you have bad connection with your phone. If you've already gotten it on Google Drive, you can easily get it onto your computer. So go to class or school story. You choose the photo video option, and then you upload the video there. So this little thing just got in my way. Move. It's down here. I can't exit you. Oh, it did it the wrong way. Present. Technical difficulties are for everybody. So down here in the box, I have it circled around where the photos and videos are. There we go. And so that's how you do it. There's only certain file types that can be uploaded. So if you're running into that issue, there's a few different things you can try, but I'm not going to cover it here. But if you use something like WeVideo, it'll convert it to the right type of file. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have fun sharing. I hope you guys are like this little bunny, loving all the things that your kids post, and your kids are loving all the things that you post. And thank you very much for your time. We are Head Start.